Hello, welcome back to Dark Ribs Creations. Today I am doing the glove mould for the bat. I don't know if you can see it all right there or not. So I've just mixed the dragon skin A and B with a bit of white, and this is going to be obviously the inside of the mould. I like to do it white on the inside, so it's just preference. I like it. I can see everything then properly. Right, so that's all mixed, and we'll go ahead and do the first layer. I'll put it on time lapse so I don't bore you all. Okay, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, so we've gone over the whole sculpt with the white, making sure I've gone right into the mouth and in the nose, right under the ears. I know it doesn't seem like that now, but I did. Right under, did start leaning a bit, but as you can see, but a bit of fast cure with the hairdryer sorted that out. So you can see it's quite sturdy now. And so there's probably going to be about 5 layers. Yeah, say another 4 layers on this so that it's solid, and I won't need a mother mould then. So I'll get on with that. I'll keep it on a time lapse and hope you enjoy. Okay, so there's all the mould all done. I think it's had, what, 4 layers, 5 layers. So what I do now, I'll turn it upside down, make sure I've got all the underneath, make sure there's no holes anywhere under the shoulders, and I'll fill those in. So the next step will be to cut the seam and take the inside of the sculpt out. So that will be the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.